When monitoring vibration, we know that you need equipment that lasts. That's why our SV803 is capable of a 6-month battery life. This length is made possible with our innovative sleep mode setting on the SV803. So, how does this work? Let's say your site operates from 9 till 5. While it's busy, regular updates from your monitor are absolutely crucial. But after 5, when everyone's gone home and there's less activity on site, you don't need these constant updates. That's when the SV803 enters sleep mode, meaning it stops sending regular updates through its modem. However, it is still monitoring the entire time. This ensures that if you experience threshold exceedances, you'll be notified immediately. The internal battery is also swappable, allowing you to hot swap our rechargeable battery, giving you up to a year's worth of internal power. As the SV803 is a self-contained unit, you don't need any external power, giving you full flexibility in your positioning on site. To find out more about the Spantec SV803, get in touch or visit our website.